Thank you, Shankar sir. Respected Principal sir, Sita ma'am, Surya Bahadur sir, Dr. Sunita Dhancha, Dr. Sanish Kusi, Ram Bahadur sir, Sabina ma'am, all the co-teachers, and the special guest of the program, all the ex-student of this school. A very warm good morning to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to address you all on the occasion of our institution's second alumni meet. We are all gathered here for the alumni meet of the brilliant student of this school. It is a very momentous day as we have a golden opportunity of meeting each other um, after such a long period. I'm sure that you all have been eagerly waiting for this day since the announcement of this official grand reunion of all the 20 SLC as well as SEE batches. A day like today is very important for us as it provides us the opportunity to meet with many shared peers, ex-student after a long time, as well as provide us a chance to meet teachers and other staff members. It also enables the alumni to notice the change and developments happen in the school then and now. Kindly allow me to express my gratitude toward each and every one of you present here for spending some time to be with you, all of us today. We know that it takes a lot to take some time out of your busy schedule and come over here. But I believe that the experience of this day, which you will take home, will be priceless. I appreciate this idea of alumni meet, which creates a special bonding between the students who have passed out and who have established themselves already in the big outside world. I believe an alumni meet is a perfect platform for you all to meet your peers and teachers and revive the past moment that you had spent here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to rewind your school days. When this school started nurturing you, gradually and slowly with delicate cares and love. Just recall your past moment as some of you who started here as kids. This was the place which bloomed you out of your saplings and strengthened your adolescence. Remember your first day in school when you entered with tearful eyes, bidding a farewell to your mother for the day, but the compassionate, bright and cheerful smiles of your teachers with open arms wipe their tears and warmly welcome you to new beginnings, introducing your classmates who replace the comfort zone of your sweet homes, and that eternal connection of belongingness is today proved by your priceless presence here. Time went on, and schooling became one of the best experiences. The school has given you unforgettable impressions. Those class gossips, hostel funs, cracking zones, pranks with friends, sports, visit, tours, chatpate parties, and life mantras from teachers, and countless other memories. Fests and extracurricular activities organized by the school increased your exposure and made you confident and help a lot in striving and becoming what you are today. The benchmark set by the students like you itself prove that our institution's graph has been steadily going up. But we are not limited to this. Our commitment is something deeper and more pervasive, which requires a lot of improvement. Our involvement had wide parameters as to whether our students grow up into good citizens or not at the level of city, state, nation, or the entire world. Our concern is whether we are able to create in you the qualities of respect, empathy, love, tolerance, honesty, and above all, humanity. With great enthusiasm and excitement, we request you all to share your experience of outside world with us. How far the foundation laid by this wonderful school has taken you in life. The school has not left any stone unturned in making its students good human beings and worthy citizens. From moral values to public speaking to self-defense, all qualities and attributed have been imparted on you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are eager to hear from you how all these has really benefited you and what the school had turned out for you. So here we welcome you all individual coming up and share your experiences, your success story, or whatever you feel like regarding the school with all of us as present, eager and attentive audience. In the end, I would like to say that an institution's fame rests not only on its administration and teaching staff, but also on the achievements and developments of its students. We are extremely proud and fortunate that you have been an important part of our institutions and will always remain in our heart forever. Wish you all the best for your upcoming futures and wish Nuda Bintuna and a great Deepavali and Chhath to you all and to your entire family. Let's celebrate 20 decades and let's enjoy 20 decades. Thank you.